Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to make a delicious and super easy fried rice. This is very tasty meal that everyone can whip up, and best of all, it's totally vegetarian friendly. Now let's take a look at the simple ingredients we need to get started. Finely chopped 10 cloves of garlic, 100 gram of green beans, 1 medium-sized tomato, 1 cup of boiled soya meat, 3 cup of cooked rice, 10 green chilies, red, yellow and green capsicum, spring onions, 1 medium-sized onion and coriander leaves. So let's jump right into the cooking process. First we are going to take our boiled soya meat and put into a blender jar. Don't blend it until it's a cream or paste. Just nice and crumbly like this. That's the perfect consistency. Now place a pan on the stove and add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, we are going to add a teaspoon of cumin seed and 1 teaspoon of fennel seed. Next add the chopped garlic and chopped onion and fry them lightly. Now add few curry leaves. Now mix it all together and let it fry for about 1 minute. Now add the green chilies. Green beans and all the bell peppers, red, green and yellow. Now stir this all together. Again let it fry for about 1 minute. Now add the blended soya meat. Mix everything well. After it has fried for about a few seconds, we will add our spices. 1.5 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoon of chicken masala powder. Mix and all together well again and let it cool on the stove and about another minute. Now add the chopped tomato. And cooked rice. 1 tablespoon of butter and a quarter cup of chopped coriander leaf. Give this a really good stir until all the ingredients are evenly mixed and the butter has melted completely. Finally garnish the top with the spring onions and your delicious easy fried rice is ready to eat. See, it's very nice. Seriously, you have to try this rice. Make it at home and let me know in the comments how tasty it was. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Make sure to watch my other video and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you next time. Bye.